Hi guys, it's another fine day here in Oban. Sam and I are going out for a little overnight stay in the boat. We're going to go up towards the Sound of Mull and possibly go up into Loch Aline and go and see Lismore Lighthouse and that, and we'll get some footage for you. Say hello to Sam.
Hello.
It's a good day. A friend of mine who's just bought his new boat, he's going to come along as well, so that's always good. Here he is here. So that's Davey and his new boat, which he launched this year. 34 feet. He's got Rosie with him. Wee Doug. Sound of Mull heading out, heading to Big Deer from Oban. Bonnet day.
Call
This is proper sailing, isn't it?
That's just sailing. This is what it's all about. So we've just sailed across Sound there, out towards Mull. We've got a fantastic 10.1 knots with the tide going with us between Loch Aline Rock and Lismore Lighthouse, and with the sails up. It was a great sail altogether, brilliant. That's Davey over there, Davey Anderson. He was doing a similar speed. Brilliantly sail. So we're heading to Loch Aline, which is only going to take us another hour or so to get there because the speeds come right off us. But it's a beautiful little loch. Glen Sander down there. The scar in the hill.
Yeah.
Zoom in on it a wee bit.
I remember when we sailed round Lismore and that was my first time really seeing Glen Sander up close.
Yeah, it's like, I tell you what I likened it to recently, actually. It's like Kerplunk.
Yes.
You know, all the little bits of gravel that are just going this way and that way and down the chutes and then all the way down to the sand. It's quite good. I'm surprised we didn't see any kind of wildlife in here, actually.
No, not yet.
No, I know, but this particular bit here, because it's quite turbulent, you usually get,
Oh, okay.
like I said, some porpoise or seals or things like that playing about in it, trying to feed. But what a cracking day, eh? Stuart Castle over there. That's Loch Aline up there. That's where we're heading into. You can see there's a little ferry sitting in the mouth there that we're going to have to watch out for. Sure to come out once we're going in. So Loch Aline's a little forestry kind of settlement That's where the last of the St Kildans settled once they were evacuated in 1930. I think it was about 60 of them left, of the ones that didn't die off or emigrate to other countries. So they all settled in here, and they had to adapt to making money from chopping trees down. And you have to understand they came from St Kilda, where there are no trees, so that would have been an eye-opener for them. I'm sure probably a few of them got hurt doing that as well. And not only that, they had no idea of the workings of money. Yeah, I'll let you.
Thank you.